Lay box on its back and safely remove all strapping and lift off the cardboard carton lid. Lay all contents out of the carton packaging and check them off in accordance with the instruction manual. Using a power drill or screwdriver, screw in casters to the underside of the bottom plate. Line up the two side units to the storage unit by aligning them to the base and screw them in from an internal position. Repeat on both sides. Screw them in using a power drill. Repeat on both sides. Put the unit on its wheels. Slide back panel between the two side panels and screw, fixing from the internal position. Note, only screw one side panel for this step. Screw the back panel. Locate top panel and line up top of holes on top of unit. Once all aligned, screw in. To build the deep drawers, line up panels together with the pre-drilled lining up. Once all lined up from the sides, screw into the pre-drilled holes into the back of the panel. Repeat process for remaining two drawers. Put the U-foam mats into each tray and screw the V-covers on each exposed screw in the internal of the drawer. Note, when attaching the drawer to the sliders on the cabinet, 2 people are required to ensure that the drawer slides on both sides are kept in sync when inserted.